Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Danny from Dahua Overseas Business Center, and this is the Dahua EACH Series 2-wire Hybrid Video Intercom Kit. EACH represents the ideas of extensibility, accessibility, convenience, and high-definition video. The EACH Series 2-wire Hybrid Kit comes in two models, depending on your desired mount. You can see the dimensions of the kit package here. Let's open it up. This kit includes the 2-wire hybrid villa door station, the 2-wire Wi-Fi hybrid indoor monitor and branch terminal, the 2-wire controller and line termination terminal, a mounting box, a power adapter, a power cord, and a 2-wire power connector. You can find more technical information about these products by visiting the links in the description box. The 2-wire Hybrid Video Intercom Kit is a complete system that provides HD video, a large transmission distance of up to 200 meters, and a plug-and-play function, ideal for villa scenarios. The 2-wire controller is the heart of the kit. It isolates the power supply and signal to reduce signal loss during transmission. The indoor monitor can quickly connect to the network via Wi-Fi. The system can support a combination of up to 6 indoor monitors and door stations. Since I'll only be using the one hybrid kit, the branch terminal and line termination terminal aren't required in installation. But you will need them if you decide to add more devices. Check out this quick installation clip. Let's take a look at some of the system's functions. As I mentioned, the system supports a plug-and-play function, saving you time and money during the installation process. The indoor monitor is equipped with a user-friendly interface. Its design and layout help organize content and allow easy navigation. Multiple options are available, including the Do Not Disturb function. The system supports alarm integration and HD CVI cameras for quick CCTV integration, thus improving surveillance and security. You can also access the monitor and intercom remotely via the DMSS mobile app. Overall, the Dahua EACH Series 2-wire Hybrid Video Intercom Kit provides a complete system for additional surveillance and security in villa settings. For more information, you can visit the product links below or contact your local Dahua retailer. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.